Assalamualaikum. Today is the date when the framework agreement on the Bangsamoro was signed 13 years ago, October 15, 2012. At ito ay kinuha sa agreement ng Government of the Philippines and the Moro Islamic Liberation Front, which was signed on 2001 at Tripoli. Tandaan natin na dalawa ang Tripoli Agreement ng Bangsamoro. Una is yung Tripoli Agreement entered into between the MNLF at saka GRP in 1976. Pangalawa, itong 2001 agreement entered into between the Government of the Philippines and the MNLF. Sa Tripoli Agreement on 2001 ay mayroon silang tatlong aspekto. Una is yung ceasefire, pangalawa is yung rehabilitation and development, and pangatlo is the ancestral domain. Doon sa ancestral domain na yon ay mayroong apat at least na strands, and the last strands is the governance aspect. Then in 2008, yung sa governance aspect na yon ay mayroon ng version ng GPH at saka MILF. Yan ang tinatawag na MOIED. Pero ang Memorandum of Agreement on Ancestral Domain was not fully implemented because of the intervention ng Supreme Court at naging unconstitutional. At nagkaroon ng hiatus ang peace negotiation at nag-resume ang hostilities on the ground. 1 year na conflict bago bumalik sa normalcy ang situation sa Bangsamoro. Then after that, nag-resume ang peace negotiation. Natapos ang termino ni Gloria, ang napirmahan ay continuity of the agreement. So, yung version na yun ng MOAD ay may sinabi ng Supreme Court sa nakakabasa doon na pwedeng i-reframe or pwedeng gawin ulit ang MOAD na yun. At saka nung manalo si Pinoy naging presidente, after 1 year, nag-usap ang MILF at saka GPH sa Narita, Japan. Then doon nag-start ang negotiation between the Pinoy administration sa MILF, and in 2012 ay nagkaroon na ng framework agreement of the Bangsamoro. So ang tandaan natin, ang source ng FAB na yan, tinatawag natin na FAB, ang framework agreement of the Bangsamoro ay ang MOAD. Then ang MOAD, ang source niya ay ang Tripoli Agreement of 2001. After that, nagkaroon na ng BTC para makraft yung Bangsamoro Basic Law. Then hindi natuloy yun dahil sa pangyayari sa Mapasapano. Isa yun sa dahilan sa hindi natuloy ang peace process between the GPH and the MILF during the time of Aquino administration. Then nung ma-elect na presidente si Duterte ay resume ulit ang negotiation, then na-create ang BTC Part 2. So doon na, instead of BBL, naging BOL na, and then we have the BARM now. So with that, marami nang natapos ang gobyerno natin sa BARM because of the BBL. At saka itong BBL, yan ay ang BOL na ang pinaka-source niya itong pinirmahan ngayong araw na tinatawag nating framework agreement of the Bangsamoro. So with that, I congratulate those involved in the historic signing of the PAB, the MILF, and the GPH for the milestone in the peace process. Tandaan natin, itong framework agreement of the Bangsamoro, yan ang naging batas ngayon ng BARM. Alhamdulillah, 13 years na, marami nang natapos, and I salute the actors in the peace process. Salamat sa inyong efforts. Assalamualaikum.